Hello and welcome back. Come with me today on a little journey around my house as I solve the little random things that have been annoying me that are probably annoying you too. So let's come up with some solutions. So first, this is oddly specific, but if you know, you know. The electric toothbrush cord. There's no good place for it. It's sitting there looking cluttered and ugly. And even if it's a short cord, like there's nowhere to put it. There's nowhere to hide until I found this little genius gadget, you guys. So this is an electric toothbrush charger with no cord. It plugs directly into the outlet. So not only do you not need a cord anymore, it's taking up no space. You have a place for your electric toothbrush and you just cleared up your countertop. Like, I'm sorry. This to me is just so smart, so simple. It's like 15 bucks. They make it for different models of toothbrushes, so just make sure to check yours. This is for the Sonicare. They also make it for Oral-B toothbrushes and different brands. Love this little guy. Now, for my sink area in the bathroom, it was also looking kind of messy, the water drippage everywhere. So I've shared the stone trays before that absorb the water, but now they make them with this little contoured interior, so they sit flush against the faucet and it just looks so much nicer. Okay, does anyone else have an issue that they just hate dealing with bathroom trash in particular? Like, I don't want to look at it, I don't want to touch it, I don't want to deal with it. So I found this trash can from the future. So not only does it have the sensor, so it automatically opens and closes, so you don't have to look at the trash, right? But this one takes it to the next level. You press this button and it will seal up the trash bag and make it its own little self-contained bag. So you don't have to look at, you don't have to touch the trash. And wait, we're not done. Then it automatically puts in the new bag. So you don't have to do anything. You just press the button. I'm sorry, is it the Jetsons? Am I living in the future? And it comes with enough trash bags for a year. And last little random bathroom issue I wanted to solve. That is when my kids wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, they turn on the lights and then they wake themselves up. So this is a little bathroom nightlight that isn't just a nightlight. It looks so cute. It looks like a flickering candle. So I've shared this before, but I got another one for their bathroom and I just love it. Now for the family room, I needed a little side table situation for these two chairs. So it was actually functional. People could put their drinks down. And when I tell you I found the most multifunctional, best piece of furniture I've ever found in my life, you guys are not ready for this. So it's a little end table and it's like a Russian nesting doll. It comes apart and it becomes 4 mini side tables that you can configure in a bunch of different ways. So you could put 3 together and make a little mini coffee table situation or a bigger side table. You could put 4 together and make a bigger coffee table. And the quality is beautiful. This is the walnut. They also have it in a couple other finishes. And then for this room, I needed multiple end tables. And because this is 4 in 1, I could put them here and get 4 end tables for the price of 1. And then we're not done yet. They also work as stools. So if you have a party, you need extra seating, you have 4 extra seats. And it even has the little pads on the bottom, so it's not going to scratch the floor. It's not going to scratch the other stools. And this is how they nest together. So 2 are upside down, 2 are upright, and I can't get over it. Next little annoyance is every single night when I make dinner for the kids, I make a huge mess. I am using pots, pans, then I have to clean the mess. So I saw this double-sided pot and I kind of thought maybe this is gimmicky. Is it going to work? Am I going to use it? And when I tell you, I have used this every single day since I got it. It's non-toxic. I was in the market for a new non-toxic pan. You could have your pasta going on one side, your veggie on the other. This ended up working out so great because I put the broccoli in here, I put the lid, and I steamed the broccoli at the same time as the pasta was cooking. You can make your meat on the other side. And I used the OG kitchen gadget, the clip-on strainer on the side of this, just drain the pasta. Just have one pan to clean. It is amazing. Now the next problem with my kids, if I'm serving them this dish, you see what the problem is? The sauce is leaching into the other food. My kids will not eat it. And I'm at a point where I'm done dealing with kid plates. So I just found these little suction cup plate dividers. So you can put it on your plate if you have a sauce or if you have kids who are picky, they don't like their food touching. You can turn any plate into a divided plate, and these are really easy to clean. They're made of the silicone. And for me, this was the difference between Capri eating her dinner and not eating her dinner. So if you have a picky eater, this is a cheap, easy little solution. And then in my kitchen, my fruit bowl. Oh my gosh, like I just had one bowl and I had all the fruits and vegetables sitting here and they would go moldy on the bottom. This isn't the actual one I had because I threw it away. It was just a big regular fruit bowl. I wanted something better. I found the most gorgeous sculptural fruit basket. I mean, that's not even doing it justice. Like, this is a fruit sculpture, but it's also functional because it has the 3 different levels, so you can separate your lemons, your apples, your avocado, whatever it may be. So I'm able to see what I have, use what I have versus all of it being in just one bowl. And it looks beautiful. Like, I keep catching looks at this as I'm in the kitchen, and it's stunning. The video does not do it justice. Okay, now let's get into some real problems. And that is my beautiful, wonderful cats that I love more than anything. They are scratching up the furniture. The 2 issues I have with having cats is their fur everywhere and them scratching the furniture. Now, the first best solution is obviously to get scratching posts. This is the best scratching post. I did my research. This one will last for years. A lot of them, they just get worn down really quickly. This is like a forever scratching post. It's huge. The cats do love it, but I'm not going to have this in every room. So I have found some new solutions. Here's our nice Crate and Barrel couch, just looking all scratched up. It's not that bad. Could be worse. So I found this. They're like couch covers with fabric, and you get it to match your couch, and you could wrap it around the areas that you want to protect. They can scratch this. It's not going to damage it. So that's one option. But the best option, you guys, like, I can't get over this. There are these clear stickers that you can stick on anything. You can't even see it. You're looking for it right now, and you can't even see it on there because it's just like this clear, transparent sticker. I'll show you that it's there. You might not even believe me. This is my nice love sack couch that I want to keep forever, and I need to keep it protected. So love this. And then I was like, wait, I can also use this in other places. In my car. So in my car, I have these like light gray faux leather seats, and my kids are in this car. You know it's going to become a mess. And I also didn't want like a big ugly thing covering it. So I put these cat scratch covers on the interior of the car. So to protect it from dirt, scratches, my kids kicking the back of the seat. You can barely even see it here because it's just clear, right? So it also works for the car. Now, the other thing that was driving me absolutely nuts is when I would come in the garage and I could not tell how close, because it's a very slim margin of hitting this, not being close enough in the garage. Is the garage going to hit the back of my car? So I found these little rubber things you put on the ground of your garage, and it's like a bumper. So I don't have any guesswork. I don't need to think, am I close enough? Do I need to pull in further? Am I too far out? You just drive right up, and there's a little ledge so you can't go too far. As an ADHD mom, I find that I function better when I can set out what I need for the next day in advance, right? So I found these hooks that are flush to the wall. You pull them down, and this is where I put out my outfit, my purse, what I need for the next day. So it's hanging here. It makes my life easier. One less thing I have to do every morning. And then I love this one because it's cute and pretty and functional. And when I'm not using it, it is flush to the wall. You can also use this for your kids' stuff in the morning, their backpack, their clothes. These are super affordable and smart to have in the home. Now, this last one is a little bit of a to be continued, can she do it situation. I have always wanted this curtain look in my home, specifically in my bedroom. It is just so cozy, so glamorous looking. But not only are custom curtains insanely expensive, the ones that I have in my living room were like thousands of dollars many years ago. And then I went on Etsy and I got custom curtains made for the family room. That was a little cheaper, but still quite expensive. I want to say like $500 to $600. Now, Amazon has come through custom looking curtains for so incredibly affordable. I decided I'm going to install this myself. And I got a power drill and I went for it. And I actually got pretty far. You can see here, I just need to order more panels. They'll be coming soon. And I will show you the finished product on my Instagram stories. So go check there. I'm also doing a little giveaway on my Instagram stories today. So check there if you want to see that. Thank you so much for watching. Links to everything that I showed are going to be down in the description box. And I will see you soon with a new video.